You're invited. MJM will be proudly displaying 3 of our impressive performance yachts at the Palm Beach International Boat Show. Every MJM features all-weather, all-conditions capability, unmatched stability, the smoothest ride, and industry-leading efficiency. Extend your boating enjoyment on an MJM thanks to our unique indoor-outdoor pilot house that opens up to nature or closes up for HVAC-controlled comfort. Let us welcome you aboard the MJM 35 Family Day and Cruising Yacht, ideal for a day on the water or comfortable and relaxing weekend getaways. The MJM 3 has been hailed as the perfect performance day yacht, with 3 social zones, spacious layout, full head, and ready for fast and fun adventures. The award-winning MJM 4 is in a class by itself. Inboard or outboard power, epic fun, incredible performance and handling, with 4 social zones. Entertain a large group of friends for a harbor cruise or head out on a coastal cruising adventure. The show begins on March 21st and runs through the 24th. To arrange a viewing, email us at info@mjmyachts.com.